If you're struggling to save money, even though you know you should, you're not alone. After 20 years as a financial advisor, I've seen one truth. Most people aren't bad with money. They just don't understand why their money keeps disappearing. Today, I'm breaking down the real reasons you're not saving enough, and more importantly, how to fix them starting today. I'm Jane. Welcome to Investor's Blueprint, where smart money decisions begin. If you want to build wealth step by step, hit that subscribe button. Now let's dive into it. You don't have a clear financial goal. Most people don't save enough because they're saving for nothing. When you don't have a target, your brain treats saving as punishment instead of purpose. Think about it. If someone asked you why you saving, what would you say? Just in case? For the future? I'm supposed to? Those answers don't motivate your brain. Example. Let's say your goal is 20 million naira for a house deposit in 5 years. Suddenly your brain goes, okay, that's 333,000 per month. How do we get there? Specific goals, measurable progress, consistent saving. Fix. Set smart money goals. Specific. Measurable. Achievable. Realistic. Time-bound. Ask yourself, what exactly am I saving for, and when do I want to reach it? The next reason why you are not saving enough money is your expenses are invisible. Here's something shocking. Most people underestimate their monthly spending by 30% to 50%. You think you spend 200k? In reality, you've spent 280k. You think you spend 500k? In reality, it's actually 700k. Why? Because your expenses hide in small, everyday behaviors like it's just one ride today. It's just a snack. It's only 3,000 naira. Those 3,000 naira moments add up to 90,000 naira a month. Example. A client once told me he had no idea where his money was going. When we tracked his expenses for 30 days, we found 42,000 naira on random transportation, 60,000 naira on quick food, 18,000 naira on night browsing bundles, 25,000 naira on impulse purchases. He didn't need more income. He needed more awareness. Here's a fix. Track your expenses for 30 days. Not forever, just 30 days. You'll be shocked at what you discover. Another reason why you are not saving enough is you don't pay yourself first. Most people save after spending. But here's the truth. If you save last, you won't save at all. Humans are naturally spenders. Every month, something will come up. Example. Let's say you earn 300,000 naira. You tell yourself, I'll save whatever is left at the end of the month. But guess what's left? Nothing. But if you set an auto transfer of 30,000 naira on payday, you never even see the money, and you don't miss it. Here's a fix. Automate your savings. Decide a percentage, 10%, 20%, 30%. Then schedule it. Make saving a mandatory monthly bill, not an optional afterthought. The next reason why you don't save enough is you're trying to save without a budget. Saving without budgeting is like trying to build a house with no blueprint, just like trying to gain financial freedom without a blueprint. You're guessing. And guessing leads to overspending. Why budgets matter? A budget is not about restriction. It's about telling your money what to do, instead of wondering where it went. Example question. Do you know exactly how much you're supposed to spend on food this month? Or on transportation? Or on entertainment? If you don't, you're overspending. Here's a fix. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Adjust depending on your income. 50% for needs. 30% for wants. 20% for savings and investments. Or for low-income months. 70% for needs, 20% for wants, and 10% for savings. The point is, give every naira a job. The next reason why you don't save enough is, you're not increasing your income. Sometimes you're not saving enough because you simply don't earn enough to save. You cannot save your way out of poverty. You must earn more. Example: if you earn 120,000 naira monthly, saving 20% is just 24,000 naira. It's helpful, but it won't change your life. Here's a fix. Increase your income through freelancing, side hustles, online skills such as design, video editing, virtual assistants, passive income in general, asking for a raise and selling a service. Ask yourself, what skill can I turn into income within 30 days? The next reason you are not saving enough is, you're trying to save alone. Your environment affects your money. If your friends say things like, "You're too stingy, enjoy your life. Let's go out, it's just money," then you won't save. Example: I once worked with a young woman who couldn't save because her friends shamed her. We changed her social environment by connecting her with a local investment group. Guess what happened? In 1 year, she saved more than she did in the previous 5. Here's a fix. Surround yourself with people who budget, save, invest, talk about goals, hold you accountable. Your circle affects your savings. The next reason why you are not saving enough is, you're trying to save without removing debt. Debt is like a leaking bucket. You pour money in, but it drains out faster than you can fill it. If your interest rate is 20%, but your savings give you 5%, you're losing money. Here's a fix. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt, mid-interest debt, then low-interest debt. Prioritize savings and investing. When your debt is under control, saving becomes easier and faster. And last but not the least, you're saving the wrong way. Many people think saving is putting money into a regular account. But regular accounts encourage spending. Here's a fix. Use a separate savings account, a fixed or locked account, a savings app, a money market fund, an investment plan. Make your savings harder to touch. In conclusion, if you're not saving enough money, it's not because you're irresponsible, it's because the system you're using is broken. Fix the system, and your savings will grow automatically. Let's recap. You're not saving enough because there's no clear goals, invisible expenses, you don't pay yourself first, no budget, low income, wrong financial environment, debt draining your money, and lastly, wrong saving structure. Which of these reasons hit you the hardest, and what will you fix first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching Investor's Blueprint, where smart money decisions begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help someone else take control of their money.